What's up guys, Chigz here. The Xiaomi 17T Pro stepped into sight with Leica cameras, smooth display, whole package feeling right. 7000 mAh battery got this powerhouse lasting through the night. So today we're seeing if this flagship really lives up to the hype. Roll the intro. So starting off with the unboxing experience, inside the box you will find some paperwork, a USB-A to Type-C charging cable, a 100-watt charger is included in the box, a TPU silicone case to get you started, and last but certainly not least, the smartphone itself. Alright, so now let's talk about the design and first impressions. The color I have here is deep violet. It has this premium metallic sheen that shifts slightly under different lighting, and it definitely stands out without looking too flashy. Xiaomi also refined the camera module this year, making it look cleaner and more integrated into the body. So overall design certainly feels premium from every angle. You're getting an aluminium frame, Gorilla Glass 7i on the front. We've got IP68 water resistance and a slight curved frame that makes this phone feel surprisingly comfortable in the hands. And also, despite packing a massive 7000 mAh battery inside, this thing is still only 8.25mm in thickness and weighs 219 grams, which honestly feels impressive considering the amount of hardware Xiaomi managed to fit in here. Now the brushed finish around the edges also gives it a much cleaner flagship look, and there is no doubt Xiaomi's hardware design has vastly improved over the last few generations. So this genuinely feels like a premium flagship the moment you pick it up. Okay, so now let's talk about that display. The Xiaomi 17T Pro features a massive 6.83-inch AMOLED display with a 2772 by 1280 resolution. You're also getting up to 144Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support, and an insane peak brightness up to 3500 nits. So no doubt, absolutely stunning display. Colors look rich and vibrant. Blacks are properly deep thanks to the AMOLED panel, and scrolling around the UI feels ridiculously smooth at 144Hz. Furthermore, Xiaomi is also pushing heavily into eye care technology this year with something they are calling Xiaomi Vision Care. So alongside the impressive display specs, you are getting DC dimming, intelligent brightness adjustment, reduced blue light, adaptive ambient sensing, and multiple TUV Rhineland eye care certifications. Now if we talk performance, the Xiaomi 17T Pro is powered by the brand new MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset built on a 3nm process. And the performance here is absolutely flagship level. This uses an octa-core CPU configuration with a maximum clock speed of up to 4.21 GHz, paired with the Mali G1 Ultra graphics chip and the new NPU 990 AI engine. And the version I have here comes with 12 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 gigs of ultra-fast UFS 4.1 storage. So this thing absolutely flies in day-to-day use. Everything feels fast and responsive. Apps open instantly, multitasking is smooth, animations fly around the UI effortlessly, and gaming performance is excellent. Xiaomi also included the new 3D Ice Loop cooling system to help maintain performance during gaming and heavy workloads. And yes, this phone is packed with flagship extras too. You're getting Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth version 6, NFC, and this is running Android 16 with Xiaomi HyperOS version 3.0 on top. Furthermore, the phone features dual stereo speakers, so you've got one bottom firing and you've got one on the earpiece, and they do support Dolby Atmos sound. So here is a quick taste of the audio. So no doubt the speakers sound pretty good. I am limited to what I can play back on YouTube for copyright reasons, but what I can tell you is the volume is loud, sound quality is very good, especially from the bottom firing speaker, and there is no distortion at all. So you're getting decent audio from this phone. So moving on to the benchmark, starting off with Geekbench single core score 3173 and multi-core score 9849. Now, unfortunately, I cannot run 3D Mark on this device as it is a pre-release unit and the app does not currently recognize or support the phone until Xiaomi officially launches and enables compatibility. And that's exactly the same with AnTuTu benchmark. You can see score cannot be displayed. Now, if you are following my smartphone ranking chart, you will see all of the updated benchmark results on one page, completely free of charge, over at chigztech.com. Now let's move on to some gaming. Alright, so now let's run a quick gaming test, starting off with COD Mobile, and here are the graphics settings. So the maximum graphics you can select is Max, and the maximum frame rate you can actually select is Ultra. So you can select Ultra and you can select very high graphics at the same time. So let's see how it plays. So you can see starting temperatures are at 38 degrees Celsius, and that's probably because I've been running benchmarks back to back just before playing this game. So after a full game of Call of Duty Mobile, you can see the temperatures at 38 degrees Celsius, no throttling, device is operating normally. So the cooling is really good in this phone. I've run back-to-back benchmarks right now. Then I played a full game of Call of Duty Mobile and you can see we're still only at 38. It hasn't gone above 38 degrees Celsius. In fact, whilst we were playing, it actually went down to 37 and then it went back up to 38 just before we finished. So the cooling is very effective. Alright, so now let's talk cameras. The Xiaomi 17T Pro comes with a triple Leica camera system featuring 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel 5x telephoto and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. And this telephoto camera is probably the star of the show. Xiaomi calls this phone the telephoto master, and after testing it I can see why. Now 5x optical zoom gives photos this really nice cinematic compressed look, especially for portraits and street photography. You get natural background blur, strong subject separation, and genuinely flagship looking portrait shots. And because this uses actual optical zoom instead of aggressive digital cropping, the quality stays surprisingly detailed even at longer focal lengths. Now let's talk about the telephoto and AI ultra zoom. Xiaomi is pushing hard into AI zoom this year. The phone supports up to 120x AI ultra zoom, which sounds absolutely ridiculous on paper, but surprisingly the AI processing actually helps recover a decent amount of detail at extreme zoom levels. Now obviously you're not replacing professional cameras here, but for landmarks, buildings, concerts or long distance shots, it's genuinely impressive. And the tele macro mode is also really fun. You can focus as close as 30 centimeters using the telephoto lens, which creates these super detailed close-up shots with really natural background blur. So this is probably one of the most versatile camera systems Xiaomi has put into a T-series phone. Where Xiaomi continues to stand out is the Leica partnership. Portraits especially look fantastic, skin tones look natural and background separation looks clean. And the telephoto lens gives portraits a much more premium DSLR style look. Now video quality is another huge upgrade here, and here are some samples for you to check out. At 60 frames per second with HDR10 plus activated. So 4K 60 with HDR off, 4K 60 with HDR off, and now 4K at 120 Hz with HDR off, 4K 120 with HDR off. Alright, so now let's talk about this insane battery capacity. Xiaomi somehow packed a 7000 mAh silicon carbon battery into this phone, and the battery life is honestly excellent. This is easily an all-day phone, and for many people, probably a 2-day phone, especially if you're not gaming heavily 24/7. And when you finally do need to charge, you get 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. So topping up the battery is ridiculously quick, and battery anxiety basically disappears on a phone like this. And the charger is included in the box, people. So there you have it, guys. That was the Xiaomi 17T Pro. And here are my thoughts. The Xiaomi 17T Pro feels like a very polished and complete flagship overall. It combines premium hardware, strong performance, excellent battery life, and a genuinely impressive camera experience into a package that feels refined and reliable day to day. Now, the sleek design, vibrant display, and creator-focused Leica camera features also helps this phone stand out and feel more enjoyable to use than a lot of competing devices. And while HyperOS has improved significantly, there is still a bit of unnecessary software included out of the box. But honestly, this feels like one of the strongest and most complete T-series phones Xiaomi has made so far. And that pretty much wraps things up. Like, sub, hit the bell icon, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.